What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this is a topic that people wanted me to cover multiple times, is Zomedica. They want me to talk about ZOM in more of a detailed fashion and why I believe that it will continue to increase and the suffering or the beatdown that it's getting right now. Now, before I get into this, make sure you hit that like button, also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure you follow my MP Shorts channel, which does help out. I want to grow that to 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to check out the Discord link in the description. But Zomedica is a big, a big topic, I guess, for a lot of people because I see it come up in the live streams, in the Discord group. Also, on every video that I post, it's all about Zomedica. What are you seeing with Zomedica? It's a lower cost stock. I have a number of shares and I want to see if they're going to grow to my price target. Well, with the fact that you are seeing a number of positions that are down, that's the main factor why they are down. Also, still trying to figure out everything that's going on with Trueforma. The fact that they did release that early did suck for a lot of people to where they did sell the news and they're continuing to sell the news. But now we're starting to see that recover a little bit. It did get to a point to where it did increase back to about $1.80 and then drop down to about where it is now, $1.43, which is pretty low. Well, it's not at $1.43 now, but it was at $1.43 in the middle of the day. And then you look at how it pretty much leveled out. It did what everything else did. After the large action, whatever the large action was, an increase or decrease, whatever you're seeing, it did end up leveling out at $1.54. This is not the level that it's going to be at. If you don't know exactly where I'm at, I am invested in 860 shares. I did lower my cost basis down to $1.70 rather than $1.74. Probably looking to buy into 140 more shares. I actually wanted to buy in low down here, but I didn't end up getting in because of some distractions that I had. But it is interesting to be able to see that at $1.43 because it shows a lower portion, a lower point, and I believe that's a support level somewhere close to it. Yeah, $1.40 is a support level, so it can end up dropping down lower. But from what we're seeing, at 154, once we start seeing positive days with this position, AMC, SOS, like all of these different positions that I'm following, for some reason they end up going negative besides a couple of them. Cost is looking pretty good, or AMC is still looking okay for me. But once we start seeing the positive movement of this stock, which we will, we're going to see a large amount of movement with Zomedica. There's a lot of people that are invested in Zomedica, not just because of the news, not just because of the rumors. It's because of people that believe in the position that want to continue growing this position. I definitely believe that it could get to $3 easily. My profit target is between that $2.50 and $3 mark. I'm looking to sell somewhere out there. But I do 100% believe that it can get to $3. That can even get to $5. Some people are saying that this is a crazy long-term hold. And I would say that it could possibly be a longer-term hold, but you need a little bit more news to be more of a catalyst there. So I'm not sold on the long-term hold. I'm more sold on a swing trade option. And we're going to be able to see these retests of, $2, $2.15, $2.25. And that's where I stand with Zomedica. I truly do believe in them, or else I wouldn't hold 860 shares and looking to increase that to 1,000. That's going to be the most shares that I own, and I really don't know exactly where it will go long term. So I may end up selling a portion of my shares, keeping some in there, and seeing the long term effects of that. But that's a change in the strategy. We need to see how that rolls. If we do see a positive day tomorrow and it ends up hitting my price target, I may not get a chance to, change those roles a little bit and, just keep 200 shares in there or 100 shares in there to see where it does grow to. So that's where I stand with Zomedica. I believe that they have a lot of push, a lot of fight in them. You can see that they have the growth potential, and it just sucks that they released Trueforma too early. That was going to be a huge rumor push. So it was going to be up to $4, maybe even $5 with that rumor push versus selling the news after Trueforma came out. It was supposed to come out on the 30th, but since it came out early, you've seen that pull down. You've seen it continue to collapse. So let me know what you think about ZOM. Do you believe in them as a company? Do you believe in them long-term, short-term, swing trade, day trade? Let me know your opinion on them because I always want to know everybody's opinion. But make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links down there. I got my Discord link, and I also have the MP Shorts channel if you want to follow that. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.